On the second morning of our trip, we left early from Georgetown on the bus, driving about an hour east to Mahaica Village. You can see Mahaica Village about 2/3 the way across this map, right on the coast. We took a boat ride up the Mahaica River and saw many beautiful birds. One of the most impressive was the Hoatzin, or known as the kanji pheasant. It's the national bird of Guyana and loves to pose in the morning sun and show off its beautiful colors. Very social and not afraid of us in the boat whatsoever. A great trip. Our guide, Leon Moore, had everything set up, and we had a wonderful breakfast at the boat launch and then took the cruise up the river and back.